Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to lock your chats on WhatsApp. With the latest update, WhatsApp has made it even easier to keep your private conversations secure. Let's dive right in and walk through the simple steps to lock your chats. First, open up WhatsApp on your phone. You'll see your list of conversations as usual. Now, find the chat you want to lock. This could be a one-on-one conversation or even a group chat that you want to keep extra private. Once you've found the chat, here's where the magic happens. Instead of just tapping on it, you're going to tap and hold the chat. This will select the conversation and bring up some new options. Look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see 3 little dots appear. This is your menu button. Go ahead and tap on those 3 dots. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. Among these, you'll see a new option called Lock Chat. Tap on that. WhatsApp will then ask you to confirm that you want to lock this chat. This is just to make sure you didn't tap it by accident. Confirm your choice, and voila. Your chat is now locked and secure. Once a chat is locked, it won't appear in your regular chat list. Instead, it'll be moved to a special folder that requires your device's security method to access, whether that's your fingerprint, Face ID, or a passcode. Remember, this feature is perfect for those conversations you want to keep extra private. Maybe it's surprise party plans, sensitive work discussions, or just personal chats you'd rather keep away from prying eyes. And that's it. You've successfully locked a chat on WhatsApp. It's a simple process that adds an extra layer of privacy to your conversations. Give it a try, and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing your private chats are secure. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to keep your WhatsApp updated to access all the latest features.